Hey guys, and I just turned on my sound. Sorry, so this is how we play Five Nights at Freddy's free, no download. So, let's get started, and I'll take that link, and now we can start. Okay, so to show that this worked, I clicked on this link from here. So I clicked on the second link to show that this works. I'm turning the volume down. It's pretty loud for you guys. I'm scared. My god, it's so loud in my ears. I don't want to listen to it. It's freaking scary. Just let me leave. Thank god, I was freaking out there. So, yeah, it works. And the link will be in the description to play this. So I'm gonna start.
Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here to help you get started down this new and exciting career path.
So we have this.
I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location, you know.
It's really hard to use.
So. Negative impression of the company. That old
Hello.
restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to
Oh my god, I can see it right there.
Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility. They even let them walk around during the day. Isn't that neat? But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its kink. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky you, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and even attempted
Stop
to get
it and you can pause it.
Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So
Not really.
Our engineers don't really have an explanation for this. The working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are.
Yep.
And in this case, that's your office.
Yep.
So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them.
Yeah, I don't know what that one is, and I don't need to, so this is how we stop it and restart it, and this is how we completely restart it. So you just pause it, and I don't want to watch that, it's freaking creepy. So anyways guys, I will be doing some of those videos, but that's pretty much just how we get to it and play it. Thanks for watching guys, and peace out.